Yes, yes, yes. We are live. We are live. My name is Big Ben. Welcome to my live stream. Today we are going to talk about is Bitcoin is going to hit 14K. Are the bulls? Are they back? Okay. We're going to answer some questions and we are going to basically look over the market. So thanks a lot for stopping by. If you're new to the channel, shout out to everybody that's here. Make sure that I'm live. And if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. Also, if you want free training on basically learning how I made 5K and turned it into 22K in 30 days, just go to that first link in the description. You'll get that free video. Let's see what's going on in the markets and let's see who's in the building. Okay. Of course, during this live stream, I'm not giving anyone any financial advice. This is entertainment only. Let's see what's going on here. Let's see. Okay, I see people in the building, even though YouTube saying that I only have YouTube is saying I have 0 people watching, but basically I do see people in the background, so shout out to you guys here. All right, so let's go over the markets, and while you guys are coming in the building, we will answer some questions. Right now we have a nice little pop. If you look at the market overall, pretty much everything is green. We do have double digits pretty much across the board. Things are popping. So I didn't really look at the other cryptos. I looked at Bitcoin for the most part. We have a nice little pop. We are going to discuss, is this it, or can this go much higher and a lot more? But right now we at the dominance is at 65.8. okay, and the dominance is probably going to continue to drop. We do have the halving this year, 2020. So things, I do expect some type of run. I mean, it was obvious, right? It's very obvious, but like that, I'm definitely going to expect some type of run when it comes to Bitcoin this year. So the Bitcoin dominance might drop a little bit. I don't know how much, but it might drop a little bit. Let's see here. Let's see if I see guys here in the building. Make sure. Just hold on, guys. All right, let me make sure you guys are here. So, what do I see right now in the chart, guys? All right, I see 17 people here. So, yeah, guys, if you have any questions, type it in. I see some questions so far. But overall, we're gonna talk about other markets. Okay, so let's talk about Bitcoin real quick, especially for the people that's watching that replay, and especially if you're watching that replay, you can hit the settings and hit 1.5 or 2 to basically speed up the replay. All right, now I wanted to go live. I think it was yesterday. I wanted to go live, and I wanted to tell you guys that what I saw was a potential pop. Okay, I see a potential pop to the 9,000 level. Okay, I didn't go live yesterday because, trust me, honestly, I've just been feeling lazy lately. But overall, I believe that we could go back to 9,000 all the way to maybe 95, around that level. Okay, we are going back to pretty much this breakout right here. Okay, so this is pretty much a retest of the breakout. Okay, so that's what I really want. I really wanted to go live yesterday. I didn't know we was gonna have this pop today, so I was like, oh man, whatever. It's too late to even talk about something juicy, but we had this nice pop today. Okay, I believe we do have more room to go. This is nothing. This little red candle is nothing. I believe we have more room to go. Now, I believe we have resistance, okay, at that breakout right here, okay. So we have the resistance three areas. So we have resistance right here at the breakout, okay. This breakout right here. This is the big triangle breakout right here, right? So we basically retesting that breakout. We have resistance right here, and then we're gonna have resistance, okay, at this big trend line. So let me back out so you guys can see. So basically what I'm doing is connecting these two highs right here, and then we have this big trend line right here. So whenever or if Bitcoin decides to go that high, okay, we can have resistance right here. So we have those resistance, you know, these areas right there. So we have to watch Bitcoin and watch Bitcoin at those levels when it or if it goes to those levels, right? If Bitcoin can break these levels, right, and hold the price, then most likely we will continue to this level right here, which is the high of was it June, I believe? Yeah, June 2019. Okay. Now, when we get to this high right here, we will see, you know, the price action around that area. But those are the areas I'm looking at right now. Okay. And what I'm also looking at, guys, is basically what I'm liking right now. I'm liking the structure. So let me back out a little bit. Actually, let me zoom in a little bit. So right now, okay, if you are a moon boy or you're very bullish on Bitcoin, this structure right here, right? This structure right here is very, very it's, I don't know what the word I'm looking for a certain word, but it looks nice. Okay, this is what you really want to see. We have a nice little base right here. It broke out, it retest, okay, broke out, retest it actually pulled back to the breakout, okay, and then it bounced back, right? So we found support around the breakout, and then the market continued to go back up. Okay, so right now things are looking real nice when it comes to, you know, anybody that's bullish right now. This is the structure that you really want to see right here. Okay, now not this little spike. You see how we have these? I told you guys before, when I saw these two candle spikes, I didn't like it. Okay, that's not really screaming bullish. I don't like those spikes. This is a good structure right here for any type of reversal. Okay, I'm not saying that this is a hardcore reversal. What I'm saying is this is the structure, or this is type of pattern that you really want to see when it comes to a reversal. Now we basically held this support right here. Now we popped out of this trend line right here, this big channel. Okay, we popped out of it nicely. Now we just most likely waiting for the price to continue to go back up to these resistance zones right here, and then we're going to see how price reacts to those levels. But overall, everything's looking real nice. You still have to give the sellers, I guess the sellers are still in control, because right now the bulls haven't really proven anything yet. But like I said, I'm liking this structure right here. It's looking pretty good. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open some questions, or go to some questions, and we're going to go from there. Shout out to everybody that's here. 1106, what's going on, bro? Brian, Smith, Bobby, okay. Who else is in the building? Jesus, Laurenus, what's going on, bro? Flatter, what's going on with we had Josh in the building, Brian. All right, so let's go to some questions. Someone asked me about Tesla stock. We will get to that later. Okay. Bobby said, long time no see. Yeah, man, shout out to you. Jesus said, this ain't it. What is your chart? Oh, he's talking about, let me see, boom, boom, boom. Let me look at these questions here. What's going on, Bello? You said it's good, always good to hear me. Yeah, man, shout out to you, bro. I'm doing good, Brian. I'm doing good. How you doing, Brian? You doing good? You said it won't let you super chat? Why? Why it won't let you super chat? I pressed the super chat. I pressed the super chat and it's letting me super chat. Let me see. Yeah, it's letting me super chat, so I don't know. Check on your end. So let's look at some more coins, guys. Let's look at some more coins. Let's look at Litecoin. Litecoin has a nice little pop, so that's good. We have to watch out for this area right here, but you know, so far so good. Let's look at Ethereum. Nice little pop so far. Okay. Let me zoom out a little bit. Okay, nice little pop. Nothing too crazy, but you know, overall, we do have, like I said, overall the structure is what to the downside. Okay, this little pop compared to the big picture, all right, is still we have a lot of room to the upside. So I always tell my subscribers, don't get too excited when you see green bars. You know, let the market tell you that is you know, it's going to continue to go up. Let me see here. Somebody keep on talking about BSV. Wow, BSV. Shout out to BSV. I know Jesus been talking about this heavy. Nice little pop. Crazy pop right here. This is lovely right here, right? Lovely pop. Okay. Now, like I said, I'm not giving anyone financial advice, all right? But if this was me, I'd be looking to take some profits. Even if we do continue to go up, I'm looking to take some off the table, because guess what, guys? We don't know what's going to happen around the corner. So you have to protect your profits. You can always get back in the market, all right? You have to live and learn. Live and learn. Let's go to XRP. I don't know what's going on with XRP. XRP. All right, so XRP is at 23 cents. Really nothing going on. Let me see. Let me zoom in a little bit. All right, nothing really going on. It's still struggling. Still struggling, you know. 23 cents is really nothing. But we'll see. We'll see if Bitcoin continue to go back up. You know, we'll see how XRP will perform. But overall, you know, Bitcoin does look, you know, it definitely looks like it wants to go higher, especially back to this breakout right here. So I definitely expect maybe 94, 5, you know, around there. If it doesn't reach, it doesn't go to the 9,000, I'll be surprised. Okay. Let me see here. Let me look at some questions here. All right. We're going to look at these other markets later. We're going to definitely go to the other markets. But overall, if you guys have any crypto questions right now, let me know. Shout out to everybody that's here. Thanks a lot for stopping by. Let me see if I give you guys a round of applause real quick. Thanks a lot, guys, for tuning in. All right, I appreciate everybody that's here. I appreciate all my subscribers, man. Shout out to you guys. You know, I need to do these live streams often so I can, you know, help you guys out with, you know, this free information. Okay. I love helping you guys out, just, you know, free. You don't have to pay for nothing. Just come to my live stream, ask questions, and that's it. Okay, and if you want to go to the next level, you know, I do have courses, but you know, these live streams are here to help you guys for free, because I believe in, you know, I believe in helping people out. Let me see here. So I'm going to read some more questions here. It says sorry, I cannot open in link. All right, so it's all good, man. I you know, honestly, I press super chat and it's showing me. Let me see, super chat. It's showing me that I can, you know. It's showing me that the super chat is turned on, and also it's showing me that I can actually super chat myself. So I don't know, bro. I don't know. I wish I can help you out on that. Let's go to some questions here. Hey, what's going on, Bello? Good to hear you. Let me see here. Let me see. You think today China news was the beginning of a small ES pullback, or going to test this smash through the 33? Well, we're gonna get to that. Definitely gonna get to that. I'm going to definitely get into those markets. Just give me a second. Someone asked me about oil. We're going to get to that too. Okay. All right. So overall, guys, if you have any more crypto questions, you know, type it in. Shout out to anybody that's watching this replay. I appreciate you guys watching this replay. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. What I do over here is just basically, I just look at the markets and use technical analysis to, you know, look at the overall view and make my decisions based on that. I love charts because, you know, the numbers don't lie, and that's what I love to teach, you know, and help my subscribers and students out with the same. All right, so if I don't see any more questions, we are going to go to the other markets. Let me see here. And then we're gonna go to the other markets, and then we are going to go back to crypto. Let me see. Do you think we are in a new uptrend because we made new higher highs? No. Well, basically, what I'm looking at here, all right, overall, what I'm looking at is no. I don't believe we're in a new uptrend. I'm not really. I know higher highs. You know, how would I say? Basically, people online will teach you higher highs means, you know, a new trend, or a new it's a, you know, a new yeah, like a new trend. But higher highs doesn't mean anything. It just basically means that it's a possibility we will see a reversal. Now, it's a difference between a temporary reversal and a legit reversal. So every reversal has the potential to be a temporary reversal. So this could be a temporary reversal because I outline, you know, the resistance levels. We have at least 3. We have to break out of we have to break out of at least 3 resistance levels. Okay, so I can't really tell you that this is the start of a bull market yet because we didn't break those levels yet. Okay, we have to break this level right here. Okay, which is around 93. We have to break this level, and then which is, well, let me see, this is around 10.5. And then we have to break this level right here, okay, which is this big trend line, okay, which is probably going to be some type of resistance right here. And once we break this, we can definitely go back to these highs right here. Now, this is another resistance. So it's just so many resistance right now as we speak. I can't call anything early right now, you know. That's why I love technical analysis. We take things day by day. We don't get excited. We just analyze the situation. If you are into making short-term profits, you know, you can definitely do that. And also, if you're into long-term, you know, holding, you can do that too. You can also have 2 strategies where you don't have to stress yourself out because you're holding and waiting. Okay, I know a lot of people do that, but you can actually get those short-term gains by just having like 2 separate accounts, one for a long-term account and one for the short-term account, so you can just get these short-term moves right here. So if I was in here short-term, me personally, I would just probably continue to hold until we hit these resistance right here, because it definitely looks like it's going to 9,000 and maybe possible 95. All right, so let me see if I go to some more questions. Ben, let me see. Ben got a supercomputer. He got 30 tabs up. He's funny. You got over 30 windows up. Why your computer? That's why your computer struggles sometimes on the stream. Yeah, I know, man. I got a whole bunch of tabs up, bro. That's a habit of mine. All right, so we're gonna go to these other stocks. So someone asked me about Tesla. So let's go to the other markets. So what's going on with Tesla? What's going on with that? Okay, Tesla. Oops. So Tesla, okay, a beast right now. I know a lot of people want to short this stock, and I shake my head. Don't short it, bro. Okay, Tesla is one of those stocks that you do not want to short. Okay, this has the ability to go to close to 1,000. I don't think it's going to go to 1,000 probably now, but I mean, if it don't go to 1,000, okay, this could definitely go to 700 at least, right? So this is a beast right here. I definitely, this is not, I still don't understand why people want to short this right here. I know the numbers doesn't match up. You can say Tesla is not a profitable company. I understand that, trust me. But let's be honest. The stock market is not about. That's why I don't really care about fundamentals, because some of these companies, you look at the sheets and the numbers, and it doesn't add up, and you see the market. Or you pretty much see the stock continue to go up, and you say, bro, this. These companies not even making a profit, and they continue to go up. But it is what it is. So I look at the technicals. I don't really care about the fundamentals too much. And right now Tesla is bullish, bro. I see this bad boy. It looks like it's going to continue to go up. Of course we're going to have some pullbacks, but right now it's just it's looking bullish, man. Let me see. I see some more questions about the stock market. Let me see here. Someone said, you think China news was the beginning of the small ES pullback? So let's look at the ES. Someone said that about the ES, China news. Honestly, I didn't really check the China news, but let me see if. Okay, so we do have a tiny pullback, but this pullback is really nothing. I believe we will probably continue to go back up. The way this market looks, it looks like it wants to continue to go back up. We've been going up ever since January, so I think we're going to continue to go up. We're going to rip up. I believe we're just going to continue. Honestly, it looks crazy. If you zoom out, the market is not even dipping low, and it's looking crazy, but every day it looks like it's just want to go up. Let me look at some more questions, but no, I don't think. Let me see. I don't think we will pull back, because think about it. Every time we had bad news, when it comes to the market, every time we had bad news, guess what? Okay, if the market sell off, the next day we ripping right back up. So don't worry about bad news. Okay. The market is probably going to do the opposite. So yeah, it's probably a possibility we can hit 3,300. Definitely. We right there. We right at 3,300. When? Shoot. The way the market is looking, we could do that probably by the end of this week. Who knows, right? But we will have. Of course, we're gonna have these small pullbacks. Okay, but I just expect this market to continue to go back up. And probably see a decent pullback maybe next month, or March or April. Let me see here. What's going on, Edward Park? Good to see you here, man. You said I wouldn't buy on this pump. Josh, you're talking about Tesla? You talking about Tesla? Yeah, I mean, if I'm not in Tesla or the market right now, I'm not buying the highs. No, of course not. Oil 55 by the summer. So let's look at oil. Someone asked me about oil. So let's look at oil. 55. So somebody said 55. So basically you're talking about going down. So I mean, yeah, it's a possibility oil can actually go back down. Because we have resistance. You can tell. Okay, we have resistance in this area right here. Okay. So we have resistance in this area right here. So yeah, we can definitely go down and test the 55 level. We can even go back down to these levels right here. That's a possibility. Okay, but we'll see. We will see. Okay, because this could be a straight wipeout right here. Okay, where we can just go right back to the lows. It's a possibility. I do see some type of trend line right here where it could probably find support, but it can break this right here and continue to go back down to this support right here. All right, so let me see here, because I'm gonna make this, try to make this live stream no more than 35-40 minutes. Jesus said, "Yeah, it works for you, but not for me." Oh man, bro. I don't know. Maybe refresh your page. Maybe it work. Cause I don't know, bro. I don't know why it's not working for you, man. You said I like your other habit, making money. What are you talking about? Ben, Win said, Ben, have you ever traded Rinko? Okay, what are your thoughts on that type of chart? Yeah, I mean, Rinko's, I tried to back test it. I never trade Rinko live. So I don't know. Honestly, I mean, I can't really give you an honest answer on that, because I never traded live. So I'm not too sure. I looked at it. I tried to back test it, but I know that I'm not too sure if it repaints. But I like my candlesticks. I know it tries to smooth out the charts a little bit, okay. But once you understand price, you don't really need the market to smooth out that like that. So me personally, I don't have no experience with the Rinko chart live. Okay, not live. So I'm not too sure. But I like my pure candlesticks. It's so hard to take profits when you don't have the amount of Bitcoin you want. I know, man. Crypto truth, bro. That is the truth. Crypto truth, that is the truth. Facts. I understand, bro. I understand. Hanky, what's going on, bro? Good to see you here. You said just got trade the charts with Tesla. Fundamentals out the window. Yeah. That's you're exactly right, man. Fundamentals out the window with Tesla. What are your thoughts? Oh yes, we talked about that already. CG. So what is CGC? Is that a crypto or what? Okay, guys, we're gonna get back to crypto. We're gonna definitely get back to crypto. CGC. Okay, my thoughts on CGC. Basically, nice little pop. Okay, nice little pop. This actually has the ability to go somewhere. How far? I don't know. Let me zoom out. Okay. This has ability to pop a little bit. We do have a gap up here. I don't know if it could go that far, but we do have a gap right here. But it's a nice little pop right here. I like the structure because if you zoom, let me zoom in a little bit. Okay, we do have a nice little head and shoulders going on inverse. Okay, so we have this going on right here. So I like this. Plus we have a nice breakout bar right here, nice breakout bar. So if it can hold its gains, we can definitely probably see some continuation. All right, so let's go back to the crypto market. Shout out to everybody that's here. Anybody have any more questions with the crypto market, let me know. Overall, my thoughts, I believe we will most likely continue to go higher. We do have resistance, so watch out for that. Okay. But overall, is this the new bull run? It's too early to basically tell, because we have multiple levels right here. Okay. We have to fight. We have multiple levels we have to fight. So we have to wait for Bitcoin to hit those levels, and then we have to see how price reacts to those levels. So let me see if I see any more questions. All right, so what are your thoughts? What are your favorite instruments? No, what are your favorite instruments to trade and leverage? Okay, I can't recommend any leverage, because basically, when it comes to leverage, honestly, if you're not experienced, and if you don't have enough experience when it comes to trading, you don't need a lot of leverage anyway. Okay, so you don't when it comes to leverage, you don't even have to understand leverage. All you have to understand is how much you're willing to risk per trade. Okay, so if you're only willing to risk $50 per trade, that's all you need to know. But for the most part, what's my favorite instrument? Basically, I like whatever's moving right now. I was, for a long time I was stuck with, like the crude oil was my favorite, and then what happened was, sometimes it gets really slow, because right now the VIX is at, I believe, 12. The VIX is at 12 right now, so the market is slow. So what I had to do, I had to move to the NASDAQ, and the NASDAQ usually moves pretty good no matter where the VIX is at. It's a fast moving market, so I love the NASDAQ right now. But I'm testing something out right now, where I'm just basically trading multiple markets. But right now, I like the NASDAQ. But when the volatility hits, I definitely love the crude oil. Gold is pretty decent too. And these are the futures market. I love trading the futures. Futures is basically it's just like trading stocks. What time frame do I use? I use the 4 minute and the 1 minute. Send me my BTC address. Yeah. Jesus, you got my you got my email address, Jesus. Jesus want me to check out BCH. Nice little pop on BCH. So basically, let's look at this real quick. Let me zoom out. Okay, so all right, so what we have here is, okay, what we have here is basically this right here. Let me connect these lows. Okay, so we have a nice little pop. All right, we could do something like this. It could be something like that, or we could do something like this, which is basically, pop, a nice little pop. Now, this pop looks real good. You have to wait for probably a slight, correction. And this looks like continuation, man. Because I'm looking at Bitcoin, and Bitcoin looks like it is ready for continuation. Now, when it pops out of this continuation, how far it can go? Well, we will see. I believe that since this is the year of the halvening, what month is the halvening, guys? Is it May? What's going on? I didn't check that. But what could happen is we can have a decent run before the halving. So yeah, this could be a nice little continuation pop. Senate. You said no. Senate. Okay, you don't have my email address. Let me see my email address. I don't know. Here we go, bro. You said it's 90 days for BCH. I'm talking about the halving. You talking about 90 days for the halving on BCH? Yeah. So, yeah, the halving. So basically, yeah, we these cryptos is definitely looking like they want to continue to go up, and it's probably going to be the same thing you saw last year with Litecoin. Litecoin has had a nice run. Okay. So yeah, I probably basically expect the same thing, continuation. And when the halving comes out, you just got to be careful. That's all. You got to be careful. Or it actually, it doesn't even have to be when it comes out. It could be like a month before it comes out. You got to be careful because you know, they can sell it way before it comes out. But yeah, man, you know, these things, these cryptos right now are looking like they definitely want to continue to go up. So I'll be surprised if we just shoot down from here. I just really be real surprised. It looks like it's holding right now. This little sell-off right here is nothing. Right, there's nothing right here. It looks like we probably gonna have a little pause and then probably another rip up. So that's what I'm looking at right now. Let me see. Yeah, I just gave you my email address. I don't know if you saw it, bro. You saw my email address, Jesus? Let me see here. Let me see if I see any more questions. Thoughts on Litecoin? What's going on, Michelle? Michelle said thoughts on Litecoin. Let's see what's going on with Litecoin. So Litecoin, yes, Litecoin has the ability to do the same thing that these other coins are doing. So I definitely expect some type of run. Okay, so we have this breakout right here, because these breakouts look definitely looking real good, guys. All right, like I said, I like the structure of the Bitcoin structure right now. So Litecoin, the resistance level on Litecoin would probably be around 80. Okay, and let me see. Let me back up a little bit. I'm looking for a major one. All right, so a major one would be this breakout right here. So we can definitely hit. It could probably possibility go to this breakout zone right here. We had a breakout right here. Okay. Okay, so this is the next area right here. You gotta watch out for around 80, 75, 80. Let's go back to some questions, and I'm gonna get out of here because it's about to be 40 minutes, and I'm gonna have to check out 40 minutes, guys. Yeah, Jesus. Just basically email me. Jesus, that's your email address? Yeah, just email me when exactly. You can email me now or when we get off. Let me see here. All right, yeah. So like I said, guys, I'm trying to do these live streams a little bit more. Like I said, I'm willing to help you guys out for free. Okay. You know, it is what it is. And like I said, if you want to take things to the next level, you can get my courses that I have for you guys. You can check that out in the description. Also, you can check out the free video I have for you guys. I just made it, I think a week ago, 2 weeks ago. If you want to learn how I was able to turn 5K into 22K in 30 days, that's the link in the description. Just sign up for that video. What else? And that's about it. Let me see if I see any more questions before I get out of here. Let me see. Let me see any more questions. I'm looking right now. Big boss Ben, all the best, man. Shout out to you, bro. Let me give you guys a round of applause again. Let me give you guys a round of applause. Thanks a lot for all my subscribers tuning in. I definitely miss these live streams. It's just, you know, my motivation level sometimes it's hard, man, you know. Let me see here. You explain leverage perfectly. I have other friends that always say how leverage is dangerous. I always tell them that it's all about so leverage. A lot of people hear the word leverage and automatically they freak out. Guys, leverage is not bad at all. Okay, it's actually how much you like. Most people don't understand, I can use leverage and still risk. If I want to risk $30 per trade, I can still do that. Okay, so leverage is not bad. You can still risk whatever you want to risk. That's the beauty of trading. So if I want to risk $20, $30, $40, $100 per trade, I can do that, right? So it's not the leverage, it's actually the trader. It's the person that don't understand the market. You have to educate yourself. Just like if you want to be a real estate agent, you can't just come in the game and think you can, you know, be the agent and you know, make a lot of money, or if you want to open up a business, you just can't open up a business and, you know, you don't know nothing about the industry. So it's just pretty much educate yourself. Anything would you do. Let me see here. All right, so 41 minutes. We going over 40 minutes, so I'm about to cut it off, guys. But Ben, does your course teach price action? Yes, my course teaches price action. So it teaches you how to day trade and also teaches you how to swing trade. I'm all about price action because that's all I do. I don't use any indicators. So yes, it teaches price action. It teaches you how to swing trade. You will get access to my Discord room. If you have any questions, you can contact me. You know, in the Discord room. Yeah. So. Hey Ben, you got my email? Yes, I have your email, and I'll definitely. I'm waiting for your email, Jesus. I'm waiting for your email. I have your email. You said, I think you said natural, right? Yeah, natural. The natural email. I have that. But overall, guys, thanks a lot for tuning in. I appreciate everybody that's here. Like, I'm trying to do these live stream at least once or twice a week to help you guys out with free information. You know. It is what it is. You said BTG is going to explode and cover all these wicks on a weekly chart. Hey man, I'm gonna check it out, bro. I'm gonna definitely check it out. All right, guys. Thanks a lot for tuning in. I appreciate it, guys. Please, be well. Stay out of trouble. Grow as a person. Grow as an individual. Grow as a investor, as a trader. You know, life is about growth, guys. So continue to grow. And also, if you want free training, just go to the description below and look at the free video. And that's about it, guys. Talk to you guys later. And please, guys, have a great night, day, wherever you're at in in the world. Talk to you guys later and have a great day. Hit that like. Actually, before you leave, hit those like buttons, guys. Hit those likes. Talk to you guys later.